Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Authenticator app not working.
So guys, the first solution is go to your Google Play Store and search for Microsoft Authenticator. And from here, make sure you have the latest version of the app. And when they have an update, it's gonna show over here and make sure to update it. And guys, the second solution is just go to the settings and from here, go to apps. And then on the apps, try to find the authenticator and tap on it. And then here, guys, go to storage. And from the storage, tap on clear cache and also clear data. From there, you will be able to fix the issue on this application. And guys, if this solution doesn't work, now let's discuss the third solution is try reinstalling the application. So first, uninstall the app. And then after that, once you uninstall it, go back to the Google Play Store and install the application again. And then from there, guys, you will be able to fix the Authenticator app. And there you go. If this video was helpful, guys, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.